Hey Cougs! I hope you all had a great weekend. I'm Maddie and I'm back with more fantastic events happening this week, so let's jump right in. Ready to bust some myths about learning abroad? This Monday from 1:30 to 2:30 p.m., Learning Abroad will host a fun myth-busting experience to help students learn more information about learning abroad. This event will take place at the Colon Building, Suite 105, and will be available in person and virtually. To join virtually, use the link in the description. Join the Gilman Scholarship Writing Workshop this Tuesday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. in the Writing Center Classroom and Business Building, room 228, to have your essays reviewed by Gilman Writing Consultant. RSVP is required. To RSVP, use the link in the description. It's Therapy Dog Wednesday! Unwind with Wilderness on Wednesdays are free events held every week during the fall and spring semesters. These events provide students with unique relaxation experiences like chair massages, therapy pets, relaxation stations, and more. Come pet dogs and relax from stress this Wednesday from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the Wellness Extension Classroom, Suite 170. Are you majoring in information technology? If so, come and meet IT leadership from the U.S. Department of State to hear how you could become part of the global team that empowers diplomacy with technology. The Bureau of Information Resource Management team will provide insight into foreign service IT opportunities, followed by a Q&A session. This info session will take place this Thursday from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m., located in the Technology Building, room 201. RSVP is required. To RSVP, use the link in the description. Later that day, celebrate Black History Month with UH Dining as they showcase Black-owned businesses. Enjoy music, live performances, and a menu inspired by the Smithsonian's Sweet Home Cafe Cookbook at the Moody Dining Hall from 5 to 8 p.m. No matter where you travel for spring break, here are the CDC's top 5 tips to help you have a safer and healthier spring break. 1. Stay up to date with your COVID-19 vaccine as well as all routine vaccines. 2. Check the travel requirements and recommendations for your spring break destination. 3. Visit your healthcare provider. 4. Plan for unexpected issues. And 5. Protect yourself during travel. Remember, if you feel sick or have a fever after a trip, contact your healthcare provider immediately and make sure to tell them about any areas you've recently traveled to. That's all for this week, Cougs. I'll be back soon to keep you in the loop. Bye!